India will become number one in the world. It has never been other than USA until now. I checked my computer this morning. As of Sunday 11, the total sales in USA so far this month is 942. And India sales so far 1,569. Can we continue this for the rest of the month? Can we make the number one in the whole world in the history of Enagic? Can we do it? Let's work together. Let's make the history. India will become number one in the whole world and stay there. All right?